Okay, welcome back. Today we're going to be learning about intersections. And to do that, we're going to make one of these dice that has like the circles on the end of it. Right? So it's like a cube but with circles and like this bevel chamfer thing, but it's round. I don't know. That thing. Cool. So before we start, I'd encourage you to try and do it yourself. It's a good learning thing. But I will show you how to do it anyway, because I'm a good person. Okay, so sorry. To start, we're just going to make a sketch on the top plane. And we're going to make a center point rectangle that is 2 inches by 2 inches. Okay, it's a big dice, okay? We don't judge here. Okay, now we're gonna, we're gonna make an extrude that is 2 inches, and it's gonna be blind, but we're just gonna make it symmetric, so you can see the difference here. So if we just make it symmetric, it'll just extrude the same amount out either side. See? Pretty simple. Cool. Cool. So now we have our dice. So thank you for watching the video. Yeah, and be sure to catch the next one. Bye. Just kidding. I know, I'm hilarious. Anyway. Okay. Now I'm just gonna get rid of that. It doesn't exist anymore. Cool. And now we're gonna make a sketch on any plane, really. And we're going to make a sphere. So if you'll remember, this was like a really early challenge in the basic tutorials. I'd encourage you to watch those if you haven't yet, but you know, can't force you to do anything, I guess. Okay, so we're gonna make a sphere. So we're just gonna make a half circle. Cool, and the length of this, something that we can change, but you're gonna want it slightly bigger than the length of the cube. So I'm just gonna say 2.5 to start, and we can change that later. Cool. So now I'm gonna make this visible again. Okay, I think we're gonna have to go a bit bigger than 2.5. Oopsies. So maybe 2.7. I know, what a horrible number. 2.75. There we go. Happy. Okay. So now, that slightly catches the edge. Beautiful. Okay. So now, we're going to revolve this, like you do. Okay, and now we've got this thing, right? So, if you think about this, here, let me just change the colors, you know, so it'll, good demonstration, oopsies, oh god. There we go. Okay, so the gray is the sphere, obviously, and the blue is the cube. So, you'll see within here, we can't actually see it. You know, just trust me, it's there. Actually, you can make it kind of clear, you know, like this. I don't know if that's better. Is it? Yeah, it's not, whatever. Anyway, let's fix this. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, actually this works. Okay, you can kind of see where, so you'll see right here at the corners, right? Only the cube exists there. And on these parts that stick out, only the sphere exists. So, we are going to make an intersection. Very fancy. And so instead of just making a new one of these, we can intersect it with, I mean, it defaulted to part 1, but you know, just in case you have multiple parts, you're just going to select the part you want to intersect it with. And would you look at that? We have our cube shape. It's beautiful. Okay. So, next, you could make all the little dots in here, but I reckon you guys already know how to do that if you've watched the other tutorials, so I'm not going to waste your time, because, you know, we were just learning about intersections today. But, ooh, that looks kind of cool. Anyway, sorry. Get distracted. I'll see you in the next one then. See ya. Bye.